Hungry for more AI learning opportunities? Microsoft has just released version 2 of Generative AI for Beginners, .NET, a free course designed to take you from core concepts to production-ready AI applications. Here's what's new. A refreshed learning journey. 5 fully rewritten lessons guide you step by step, from generative AI fundamentals to advanced techniques, real-world patterns, agent development, and responsible AI. Built for modern .NET. All samples now align with the latest .NET practices, including dependency injection, middleware pipelines, and file-based apps. Authentication is simplified with Azure CLI login once, and you're set across all samples. Simpler AI development with Microsoft.extensions.ai. Version 2 introduces Microsoft.extensions.ai as the foundation, bringing familiar .NET patterns and reducing complexity. Less setup, cleaner code, and more focus on building. Cleaner, more focused samples. Legacy samples have been moved aside to prioritize a stronger learning path. Updated examples now rely on modern, native SDKs, making it easier for beginners to follow and apply. Introducing the Microsoft Agent Framework. Lesson 4 now covers agent-based development, including multi-agent orchestration and real-world use cases like PDF ingestion and chat workflows. Global-ready content. Updated across 8 languages: Chinese, French, Portuguese, Spanish, German, Japanese, Korean, and traditional Chinese to support learners worldwide. Getting started is easy. Choose your provider, open Lesson 1, and build your way through all 5 lessons, each one designed to level up your AI skills. Stay tuned for more .NET updates.